Inspiring.
Unique.
Enjoyable.
Educational.
Fascinating.
Exciting.
Delicious.
Exhilarating.
有趣
Fruitful.
Eye-opening.
Enriching.
很好。
NUS Open Day for me would be nostalgic.
Rmss always have our students at heart. So today being able to lead my students for the NUS Open House, I guess we really are able to align them to their personal aspiration. That is to find out a bit more about the life in NUS as well as to know more about the courses that they prefer to take when they reach the tertiary level.
The main reason why I'm more motivated to study is because I want to take design engineering here in NUS. That really gives me a sense of motivation to help me further my studies.
We believe that if we give aspirations for the students to actually come over here, we give them something, a lofty goal to work towards.
I think the library is very good because I'm like a literature student, so I went to like look at the literature books, and then there were a lot of like poets and analysis on their books.
It was really fun. We got to like explore a lot of the different things that NUS offer. Like all the different booths, and then we get a lot of stuff.
The campus is really big. I didn't even realize it was this big before.
We get to enjoy many activities like watching performance arts, which can let us decide on our future whether to join certain activities.
I'm really shocked there's so many options for you to choose from because I thought NUS will only teach like business or like architecture and engineering, but I didn't know there's design, there's even a hospital here.
And actually I always look forward to go to other countries, maybe USA to study, because I feel like I suit the environment more of there. But after this I just feel that it's really very perfect.
I would recommend you guys to at least come down to NUS to see how the facilities in Singapore are, because it's really very amazing.
I've seen like the environment and the campus life. I feel like it widened my perspective.
I'm going to come here and study instead of going overseas. I changed my mind.
When I was in J1, I actually took this very same day trip to NUS with RMSS. As a tutor now, what I would want my students, what I would hope to impart to my students would be this love for learning, and I believe that this would be what would tide them through their future careers and whatever they might want to embark on in life.